So DM Toolbox says, I have heard from 2 different IP lawyers, and one said that perpetual and revocable are 2 different things. The other said they are not. So who knows, right? So, okay, thank you so much for bringing this up, DM Toolbox, because that does seem to be, like we were talking about earlier when we were reading through that, and going back and looking at the terms of this license, some key terminology, because we knew the word perpetual was in there, and that seems to be the thing that comes up. So is perpetual the same as irrevocable? Because we know the license is perpetual, non-exclusive, and worldwide. Does that mean it can be revoked? And see, here's the thing. Here's the thing about, so what would you immediately do in this situation? And this comes up so often when you're trying to analyze all kinds of technical situations in an area of expertise, right? Exactly what, because we need a definitive answer. So somebody give me the answer to that, right? Well, how do we determine the answer to that? I know, let's talk to a lawyer. Hey, I know, let's talk to a very specific kind of lawyer. Let's talk to a lawyer who is specifically specialized in IP law. That sounds like exactly what you want to do, exactly what DM's Toolbox is saying right here. And in this case, so let's talk to an expert. Well, in this case, we talk to 2 different experts, DM's Toolbox is saying, 2 different IP lawyers, experts, and you get 2 different answers. Right? So who knows, right? That's the way it often goes, right? Oh, let's wait, we got a question here about a technical thing in IP law. Let's go talk to an IP lawyer. Do you get an answer from the IP lawyers? No, you get multiple answers. So, right. So one of them said that perpetual and revocable are 2 different things. The other one said that they are not. So where does that leave us? Right? Where does that leave us? That's enough ambiguity right there. So if you've got IP lawyers on both sides of the issue, how is anybody else supposed to know? Right? How is anybody else supposed to know? If IP lawyers can look at the facts on the ground, specialists in IP law, and give you 2 different opinions, 2 different opposing opinions on the situation, how does any independent third-party publisher have any idea about how exactly to go about this, right? Because you go to the experts and you get 2 different answers. So, hey, oh, look, I see we just hit 49. 49 people in the watching live. That is another record for the Morning Grind. Thank you all so much for being here. Please do hit the like and subscribe. Maybe we can hit a record on the number of likes, a new record for the number of likes on the Morning Grind. Can somebody put in the chat how many likes we're up to? Be great if we had that. So yeah, so I think this is going to be the issue. I expect to be seeing exactly what DM's Toolbox is saying, going back and forth on Twitter, in different blog posts, in different videos. Probably that's exactly what's going to happen. We're going to have IP lawyers who are going to give us completely mutually contradictory answers to this question. And so the answer is, well, maybe a court will have to make this determination. Surely, though, there are court case precedents about whether or not perpetual and revocable are 2 different things or not. That seems like something, at least as a matter of fact, we should be able to establish as far as precedents in court cases. At least that seems that way.